How to create a directory in Linux. Hello and welcome to Program Guru. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a directory in Linux using the terminal. The command used to create a directory is mkdir. mkdir stands for make directory. The basic syntax is simple. mkdir space directory name. Let us see one example. Open the terminal. To create a directory name projects, run the following command. mkdir space projects. Press enter. When the command is successful, Linux normally does not display any message. Run the ls command to list the contents of the current directory. In the output, you can see the projects directory. This confirms that the directory has been created. You can also create a directory at a specific path. For example, we already have a directory named documents. To create a directory named reports inside documents, run the following command. mkdir space documents / reports. Run the command ls documents. In the output, you can see the reports directory. The directory has been created inside documents. If the directory name contains spaces, place the name inside quotation marks. For example, to create a directory named project files, run the following command. The quotation marks tell Linux that project space files is one directory name. Run ls command. The directory has been created. You can also create nested directories using the lowercase p option. For example, to create a directory named images inside website, even when the website directory does not exist, run the command. mkdir space -p space website / images. The lowercase p option creates the required parent directories. In this example, Linux creates the website directory and then creates the images directory inside it. That is how you create a directory in Linux using the mkdir command. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more Linux tutorials.